Hi guys, I hope you're well. I'm very excited to have you here. This is today Dropmas number 7. So here it is. We are first going to unbox this one, this baby, and then I'm going to explain you everything about what is Dropmas, what I'm doing here, why you are on this video. But if you like luxury handbags and accessories, you are on the right YouTube channel. So let's go for the unboxing. Here it is. I hope you're going to love it, but this is a very special one. Let's open this. And it is here. I will try to open it. This is heavy. And here it is. As you can see, we have a DIOR, like a DIOR box, and we are going to put like the big box here. So we have the DIOR box for this one. And I really hope you're going to love it. We are going to see what's inside now. So, I'm just going to unbox it with you. I'm so excited because I love this one. So here it is. So for this one, we have the box dust bag. We have the dust bags for the hardware. And we also have like the papers and the authenticity card of this one. It was bought in October 2016. But the condition is pristine. You're going to see it's like gorgeous. I don't know what to say because it's such a good one. And you are going to love it. Look at this. We have a Lady DIOR. This is a medium size. This one is part of the collection, metallic one. I love it. It's a collection that we saw on the Tokyo Runway show for Autumn-Winter 2015. And it was in store like in 2016, so it was just insane. It was very futuristic, but it's such a lovely collection. I hope you will enjoy, and I'm going to give you now like the condition of the bag, how it looks like and how it is. So this is kind of rosy gold metallic leather. This is gorgeous. I love it, with a micro canage. It's not the huge canage, it's a micro canage for this one. This is what I like about this one actually. And for this one, we have like the authenticity card, dust bag, and box. We do not have a strap for this one, but the condition is so great. Hardware is silver, so it's quite easy to wear. This is a very light pink, so not too complicated also. Hardware is in very good condition, I must say. And on the other way, we still have like the sticker on the hardware part here and here. So it's quite amazing. The condition of the bag is so great. Even under the bag is great. You have about 4 little fits. It has some very few and little scratches, but it's almost nothing. It's like very, very nothing. And you have on the corners some little stain, but it's like just a little bit darker, but it's very, very little also. I have nothing much to say because the bag is such in a good condition. It's crazy. Like even here, the top handles are great. The inside of the bag is in black leather and you have the zipper. It's also in such a good condition. You have every photo on the website. I will link in the description the product, the bag. This way you can go and have a look. And concerning the price, it's 2,139 euro. I will add on the screen also the USD and UK price. This way you can have a look on the price and you can check every photos on the website. You have the full description on it. But otherwise, it is now available. So if you don't know me yet, my name is Margot alias Margavalux. I'm French and I'm very passionate about luxury handbags and accessories, as you can guess. I do videos on YouTube every Wednesday and every Sunday, where like every Wednesday we have a backdrop day because I have my own business with my partner where we sell you luxury pre-loved handbags. Mostly pre-loved, sometimes it's brand new. I'm telling you when it's brand new. It's bamluxurystore.com. We ship worldwide, USA, Canada, Europe, everywhere. We are based in Barcelona right now, so we ship worldwide. What can I say? And Wednesday videos are backdrop day, but Sunday video are more about unboxing, new collection, shopping vlog, and everything very casual, and sharing my passion with you and exchanging about it. So it's quite cool and quite amazing, actually, like that we are able to connect on this, because this is like passion subjects usually for everyone. So if it's your passion too, well, welcome here. Consider like subscribing to my YouTube channel and also to go on Instagram. But yeah, Other than that, like we have decided for Christmas and December to do not Vlogmas but Dropmas. So Vlogmas is a vlog every single day during Christmas, but I'm going to do like one video per day in English and in French. From the 1st of December till the 24th of December, you are going to have one drop of one item every single day. You will have a usual bag drop day every Wednesday, of course, between like 6 and 10 items. But you are going also every single day to have another drop. And it's going to be first on YouTube this time, because usually it's first the email for everyone and then the YouTube video. But for the drop, it's going to be first the YouTube video at 6 p.m. Paris time. I will add on the screen the US and everything time. And at 6:15 p.m. you will have the email for everyone. So everyone on YouTube, you will have the exclusivity for this baby. So I'm quite happy actually about it. I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. I hope you really enjoy it. And I will see you tomorrow. Bisous, bye bye.